Sometimes healing doesn't look like grand transformations or sudden clarity. Sometimes it looks like quiet acceptance, sitting with yourself and saying, "This is what I feel right now," and that's okay. You might think you have been healing forever, that you should be further along by now, that you should have already let go, moved on, found peace. But the truth is, healing isn't a race. It's not about reaching some perfect destination where you never hurt again. It's about learning how to be with yourself, how to be witness to what's happening inside you without trying to control it or force it to go away. When you stop running from your emotions, they begin to soften. When you stop labeling them as good or bad, they begin to move through you. When you stop trying to change how you feel, you allow yourself to feel, and that is where true transformation begins. Imagine sitting by a river. Every thought, every emotion, every discomfort just floating by. You don't have to jump in and wrestle the current. You simply watch it flow. That's what allowing feels like. It's peaceful, even when it's painful. It's stillness, even when there's movement inside of you. As you begin to allow, something shifts. You start noticing your body's quiet language, the way your chest tightens when something feels unsafe, the way your breath shortens when you are resisting truth, the way your shoulders relax when you finally surrender. In that awareness, you begin to process emotions as they arise, not months or years later, but in real time. You start to experience life with sharper senses, deeper feeling, greater clarity. Colors seem brighter, conversations more meaningful, small moments more beautiful. Healing doesn't always mean feeling better. Sometimes it means feeling more connected to yourself, more open to the world, more present to this moment. And that's what awakening truly is. Not escaping emotion, but embodying it. Not silencing pain, but listening to it. Not avoiding discomfort, but learning to trust it as part of your evolution. You are healing even when it feels endless. You are transforming even when you don't see it yet. Every breath, every pose, every moment you choose, presence over panic, that's process. That's progress. That's just for you. Affirm this. I am learning to sit with my feelings. I trust that every emotion I allow brings me closer to peace. Here your challenge of the day. Today, pause for 5 minutes in silence. No distractions, no music, no scrolling, no voice. Close your eyes. Breathe deeply and observe how you feel without judgment. Write down one emotion that comes up and simply thank it for showing you where you are.